Coldest weather I've snowboarded in a long time. I'm giving 6 pairs of these goggles away. Conditions don't look incredible. It's cold.
Take it from my experience. I've gotten frostbite on my toes before.
It was the least snow it's ever had when I've ridden it, and it was a totally different.
That run, yeah.
We got a POW day, I think. It said 6 inches at A Basin. I'm not seeing 6 inches in the parking lot, but never judge a mountain by its parking lot. Sometimes they show up, there's nothing in the parking lot. You get up high and you're like, oh, there it is. So, could be a super sick day. It's just your boy. So we're gonna go rip some POW. We got the Insta360 1X. We used this on the heli trip, which if you want to check out that video, it's right this way. It's right there. And yeah, a lot of you guys are asking, like, how'd you make the pole disappear? How'd you use all that? So the Insta360 1X 2, it's a 360 camera. Insta360 sent it to me, super sick. Anyways, that's linked in the description. If you're looking for a 360 camera, yeah, makes the pole just vanish. The other thing that's gonna be sick is after we're done ripping POW, we're gonna ride a Monoski, but that's gonna be a separate video. But yeah, we're gonna ride a Monoski today. We're gonna ride some POW today. It's gonna be a sick day. So, enough talking. Let's go rip. So this is my first time riding the new Pally chairlift, by the way. If you didn't know, they replaced this chairlift with exactly the same chairlift. It's just shiny and new. And then we found Daniel.
What's up?
Daniel's from the Discord. Oh, I am from the channel. And he has a Monoski. And it's going to be a sick day. And then, what else am I saying? I don't know.
Today's sticker shout.
Sure. Daniel called for it, so here it is. Today's sticker shout out. We got Preston Tone with the green sticker on the helmet. Look, it's so sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And then we got Ethic 008 going off. Not only did he grab an Evolution t-shirt, not only did he grab Outdoor Master goggles, he also got Pearl Wax. Let's go, dude. Thank you so much for not only supporting your boy, but supporting the people that support your boy. Once again, guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, or any of the Evolution merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, it's all linked in the description. If you do snag it, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus content. You'll know where I'm shredding. You'll know that at A Basin, we're having the most epic POW day and you guys are missing out on it if you're following my Instagram. So go follow the Instagram for bonus extra content and check out the stories. The stories are where they're at. All right, enough talking. Conditions don't look incredible, but my hand's freezing. So it's gonna be a POW day. Let's go.
Same.
Let's go!
Let go.
Motion. Back in the day, this thing didn't exist and you had to walk this. It wasn't that bad. I can't believe they have this installed. We could hike up, guys, but I'm truly afraid if we go up there, we're just gonna hit rocks the whole way down. So we're not gonna go up there today. We need more snow. It's cold.
That one wasn't bad.
Woo, the sun's out. Guys, days like this are tough because the snow is good and you want to stay out. But it is no joke. Freezing cold. Probably the coldest day of the winter. And I don't know if I have toes anymore.
Take it from my experience. I've gotten frostbite on my toes before. You don't want it to happen.
So whenever you're cold on a cold day, go inside, warm up, but or just like keep lapping hard. That's what I like to do, stay warm. Either way, we got a couple more in us, and then we gotta go rip the Monoski. That's gonna be a whole different video. Because I gotta go like rent boots and do all this other stuff. It just won't fit in with this POW day vlog. So Monoski video, it's gonna be sick. Out of here, it's too cold.
Taking a break.
I can't feel my feet. Scope the park. Sick day. Woo. I did one of my favorite runs over here on the left. Do like a riverbed, but it's the least snow it's ever had when I've ridden it, and it was a totally different.
That run, yeah.
Totally different than normal. It's because it's real snow. Oh, thanks for bringing the Monoski. Let's do that now. Hi Daniel, you gotta show me the Monoski for the video. So we stopped at the mid station or mid place, whatever. Got some food. This flatbread was like 10 bucks. It was like the best thing I ever had on the mountain. It was insane. But we checked the weather when we were there and it feels like it's negative 13 degrees. It's the coldest weather I've snowboarded in a long time. But still a sick day. Got some good turns, got some good snow. But it's time to get on that Monoski. That's gonna warm me up for sure. Let's see this thing real quick though, Daniel.
All right.
So you guys need to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss this video of us ripping this Monoski. If you know what a Monoski is, when people ski, they have two, but a mono is one. Mano y mano, you know how the saying goes, 1 versus 1. So, I'm giving 6 pairs of these goggles away, by the way. There's a goggle giveaway, that's in the description. Bunch of awesome stuff. Check out my description, the stickers, all of it. And there it is in all its glory. Straight out of the 70s, almost. Ah! I'm gonna rip on this thing, dude. I'm so excited. But I don't have ski boots, so I gotta go rent boots and do all that stuff. It would just be too much for one video. So, like I said, there's gonna be a whole video in itself. I'm really excited.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, this video and that video. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with the Monoski video, which is technically today. Vlogception.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes.